What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 11. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do a factory reset on the iPhone 11, clearing all of your data and all your information off of the device. So if you were looking to get rid of it, give it away, sell it, get it out of your possession, this is what I strongly recommend doing, is getting rid of all your personal information off of there. So if you guys find this video helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. So the first thing we're going to want to do is start off by going into settings. Once we are in settings, we're going to go to general. From general, scroll down all the way to the bottom. We will see a reset. And then from the reset menu, the second one down is going to say erase all content and settings. And from here, it's going to just go to erase iPhone. And it's going to ask, are you sure you want to continue? It's going to erase everything on your device and then erase iPhone. And from this point, it's going to start clearing everything off of it. It's going to be getting rid of your contacts, pictures, any kind of information on there that you have. If you're wanting to keep some of this information on there, I do strongly recommend backing up your device just to get it to where you're able to load up all your old information, your contacts, photos, those types of things on your next device. So back it up before you clear it, and then that way you're able to save it and transfer it over to your new device. So just like that, it clears everything, takes a few minutes, kind of goes through its steps, and then it'll take us back to the hello screen. To the factory setting. If you have your iCloud signed in, I would also recommend taking that out, getting rid of it. That way it will fully clear. If you have your iCloud signed in, it'll go into what's called the activation lock, meaning that the next person that wants to sign in will not be able to sign in unless they have your Apple ID information. So just a little heads up there, make sure to clear all that out, and it'll go through a couple steps and it'll just come back to that startup hello screen. And just like that, that toolbar went off, the Apple screen shut off, and we are now back on the hello page of the startup. So there you guys have it. That is how to do a factory reset on the iPhone 11. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.